अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट हूर फातिमा और आप देख रहे हैं मुमताज न्यूज। शामिल करते हैं आज की अहम खबर।
सीनियर सहाफी मोहम्मद मुमताज की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री एकेडमी काकोल में पासिंग आउट परेड पास आउट होने वाले कैडेट्स ने इस दिन को जिंदगी का यादगार दिन करार दिया। पाकिस्तान की खिदमत का अज़म। पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री एकेडमी काकोल में 149वीं लॉन्ग कोर्स की पासिंग आउट परेड मुख्तलिफ कोर्सेज के कैडेट्स तकरीब के दौरान पास आउट हुए। ये परेड एकेडमी और पाकिस्तान आर्मी की यकसा इखलाक की अक्कासी करती है। जर्नल साहिर शमशाद मिर्जा, बकिया हिस्सा देखिए इस हेड न्यूज लाइन पर।
I'm Academy Senior Under Officer Mohammad Naman Abdullah from 149 PMA Long Course and I hail from Islamabad. 20th April 2024 will remain a momentous day for me as I have been awarded the prestigious Sword of Honor for being the overall best cadet of my course. Besides sheer hard work, countless blessings of Allah Almighty, praise of my parents and relentless efforts of my faculty and instructors of Pakistan Military Academy have been the deciding factors for the achievement of this distinction. I joined Pakistan Military Academy as an expression of love for the country and faced many hardships along the way. However, the guidance of my instructors and training imparted in academy has made me resilient and enabled me to face the future challenges. Inshallah, in the future, I will work with the same zeal and enthusiasm to come up to the expectations of my nation. May Allah help me to lead from the front with courage and devotion to defend my motherland, Pakistan, till my last breath. Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Fauj, Paindabad.
I am Company Senior Under Officer Muhammad Abdullah Javed from 149th PMA Long Course and I hail from Khariyan. Today is the most memorable day of my life since I have been awarded with the President's Gold Medal for being the second best cadet of my course. I stand here today due to the blessing of Allah Almighty, prayers of my parents, guidance of my instructors and unwavering support of my fellow comrades. Hard work and consistency are the two aspects which I always kept before me in the process of training at Pakistan Military Academy. Every moment spent at the academy has been of great value and significance to me. It has not only transformed me as a person in my faculties and abilities, but has given me a true sense of purpose, that is, to serve my country in the best possible manner. I pray to Allah Almighty to keep His blessing on us and enable us to shoulder the responsibilities of the challenging times ahead. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Army Paindabad.
I am Friendly Country Senior Under Officer Fallaj from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I have undergone training with 149th PMA Long Course at Pakistan Military Academy. Today I have been awarded with the Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Community Overseas Gold Medal for being the best cadet among friendly country cadets. I would like to express my gratitude to my brothers in arms from Pakistan for their warm hospitality and making the stay of my fellow country cadets so memorable. Pakistan and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are brotherly country with a rich history and glorious future. Pakistan is and will always be my second home and I shall present myself as ambassador of Pakistan in my country. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Army Paindabad.
I am Course Under Officer Ilyas from 14 Mujahid Course. I am awarded with Chief of Army Staff Ken for being overall the best cadet of my course. It is indeed a matter of great honor and pride for me and I bow my head to Allah Almighty. I am also grateful to my parents and instructors at Pakistan Military Academy for their constant support and monitoring. Inshallah, I will work with zeal and enthusiasm to fulfill the expectation of my nation. As a representative of Pakistan Military Academy, I will continue to uphold its values and all that I do. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
I am Course Under Officer Shehbanu from Lady Cadet Course 23. It is a matter of great pride for me that I have been awarded Commandant's Cane for being the overall best Lady Cadet of my course. It is indeed a matter of great honor for me and I bow my head in humility to Almighty Allah. I am grateful to my parents and instructors at Pakistan Military Academy for their constant support and guidance. Pakistan Military Academy has provided us with the means to enhance our self-discipline, physical well-being and mental resilience. This comprehensive development has enabled us to serve our motherland befittingly as future military leaders. Inshallah, I shall continue to work with same zeal and enthusiasm to fulfill the expectations of my nation. At the same time, I endeavor to be a role model for young women who are aspiring to serve their nation with dignity and honor.
I am Course Junior Under Officer Danish from 68th Integrated Course. Alhamdulillah, today I have been awarded the Commandant's cane for being the best overall cadet of my course. While the training was tough, it taught me the values of comradeship, teamwork and dedication. Pakistan Military Academy plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and security of our country by imparting training to our future leaders in Pakistan Army, and I am proud to have been a part of this great institution. I am grateful for the training and support provided to me by the esteemed faculty of this prestigious academy. I shall continue to uphold its values and strive for excellence in my future pursuits. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.